Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'm starting something new, a Photoshop battle series called Showtime, where two digital artists compete using the same stock images to create their own artwork. And this is the first episode. And today's guest is Paul Jinad from Nigeria. He is going to compete against me in this battle. So without wasting any time, let the battle begin. First of all, thank you so much, my friend Paul, for participating in this episode. Your artwork looks amazing. The colors feel very natural. I really liked how you used the mushroom elements and the overall atmosphere in the point. It genuinely feels like a scene straight out of a movie. A great storytelling and execution. Nice job, bro. I really loved it.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Lexi. Firstly, I want to say thanks to Animesh for having me on a Photoshop battle on his channel. And this is a good one, I won't lie. So, firstly, let's talk about Animesh artwork. Uh, I love the concept of this artwork. And I also love the way he did his blur, the highlights, and everything you use here is perfect. And what I think isn't perfect for me was the way he blowed the tree out of the ground. That that ain't like realistic enough. But every other thing is perfect. The highlight is perfect. The color grading, the fogs, everything is 10, 10 out of 10, bro. So we both make an awesome artwork. This is a great, this is a great collaboration, man. So that's it from Dominic. Peace.
So that's all in this video. So I'll see you in my next episode.